Hello and welcome to 4th grade. We're super excited to begin this journey with you, so please go ahead and take a few minutes to review the important information included in this presentation. In 4th grade, students face more rigorous work and faster-paced lessons, with a strong focus on writing, deeper reading analysis, evidence-based responses, nightly math fact practice, and computer-based testing, all of which require consistent engagement and support. For FAST, students take the test 3 times a year, in the fall, winter, and spring. It helps us see if they're on track with 4th grade standards. Writing is only tested once, usually around March. For SBUAs, these are graded unit tests that show how well students understand what we've taught. They help us know who may need extra support. Students take the FAST reading math tests again 3 times a year, during the fall, winter, and spring. And writing is only tested once, around March. These tests help us track their growth and guide the support they need. The assessments are based on the Florida BEST standards, and the scores from May show whether students are meeting grade level expectations. Fall and spring results also help us personalize instruction for each child. Scores range from level 1, which means substantially below grade level, to level 5, which means exceeding expectations. To help your child do their best, make sure they get a good night's sleep, eat a healthy breakfast, and arrive at school on time. Students take the FAST writing test once a year, around March. It's very important, again, that your child arrives on time, gets a good night's sleep, and eats a healthy breakfast on test day. These scores typically aren't released until the summer, and the highest writing score is a 12. Students will take the Reading FAST test on Monday, September 8th, and the Math one on Tuesday, September 9th. Please make sure your child gets a good night's sleep, eats a healthy breakfast, and arrives at school on time. These steps are crucial in order for them to do their very best. We follow Florida's BEST standards for reading instruction. Our curriculum is organized into 3-week units, and each unit focuses either on literature or informational texts. At the end of each unit, students take an assessment, SBUAs, to show what they've learned. Based on these results, we place students into appropriate interventions to support their growth. In math, we focus on a variety of important skills, including multiplication, division, measurement, and geometry. Each unit ends with a unit assessment to check student understanding. It's very important that your child memorizes their multiplication facts. This helps with many other math concepts. Flashcards are great resources, and Reflex Math, which is available through Launchpad, are also great tools for daily practice. In science, our curriculum is organized into units called Big Ideas. After each big idea is taught, students take a unit assessment to show what they have learned. In social studies, we introduce a new topic each week. All grades in social studies are classwork, so participation and engagement are crucial. The types of interventions your child will receive depend on their performance throughout the year. Students who score 70% or higher on unit assessments may receive extra help with current standards, a preview of upcoming standards, or participate in enrichment activities. Reading interventions and enrichment take place from 8:50 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. on Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays. Math interventions happen during their regular math block. These supports are designed to meet each student's individual needs and help them grow academically. Students will be getting homework assignments in math, science, and reading. Math packets will be given to students on Mondays and will be turned in on Fridays. Science books were sent home and units will be assigned as we are working through them. Science packets are due the day of the test. Reading will start soon and will be fluency paragraphs. Review math homework and practice multiplication facts nightly. Students can also be reading nightly or complete Reading Plus, Lexia, or Amira. We We hope that this presentation is helpful and that all of the questions that you might have are answered here. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you.